Hi guys, today I want to share the recipe for the easiest caramel ever. This recipe is really simple and easy to make, and you can use this delicious caramel to decorate your cookies as caramel sauce or just eat it with a spoon. Let's get started with the recipe. Add all of the sugar into a medium pot and heat it over low to medium heat. It's very important to heat it over low to medium heat, even if this might take a little longer. You don't want to burn the sugar, you just want to melt the sugar. Keep mixing once in a while so that all of the sugar gets warm and melts. Once all of the sugar has melted, you can add the butter. You want to be really careful at this point because the sugar is really hot, and when you mix in the butter it might splatter, so be very careful. Mix in the butter until it's all mixed in. This might take a while, but just keep on mixing, it will all combine. Now remove from heat and add the cream. Mix in the cream again until well combined and until you have this nice creamy caramel. You can add more cream if you want the caramel to be runnier, so if you're going to use it as a sauce. I'm keeping mine quite thick because I'm going to use it for some cookies. Transfer the still hot caramel into clean jars. You want to store the cooled caramel covered in the fridge and use it up in about a week's time. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.